Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify the expressions. So the first expression is 3x plus 5x. While simplifying expressions, we will either add the like terms or subtract the like terms. Here we have two terms 3x and 5x. In both the terms, variable is x. So both are like terms. So we will simply add the coefficient of both the terms. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So 3x plus 5x will be 8x. Now in the second expression, we have to multiply this 2 over this bracket 3x minus 5, and we need to multiply this 4 over the bracket x plus 1. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 2 times 3x will be 6x. Minus 2 times 5 is 10. After then we have a plus sign. So plus 4 times x will be 4x. And this plus times plus will be plus. 4 times 1 will be 4. Now let us see the pair of like terms. Here 6x and 4x are one pair of like terms, and minus 10 and plus 4 is constant term. So this is the another pair of like terms. So first we will add 6x and 4x, which is 10x, and after then I have minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4. So we have different sign. So whenever we have different sign, we will perform the subtraction. So 10 minus 4 is 6, but the bigger number is 10 and the bigger number has minus sign in front of it. So minus 6. So we will write here minus 6. So our simplified expression is 10x minus 6. Now let us see two more questions. The first one is 4 times x plus y minus 2x plus 3y. Here also we need to multiply the 4 with the bracket x plus y. So 4 times x would be 4x. After then we have plus sign. Then 4 times y is 4y minus 2x plus 3y as it is. Now here we have two variables, x and y. So the terms with the variable x is one pair of like terms, and the terms with the variable y is the another pair of like terms. So now let us add 4x minus 2x. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2x. After then we have 4y plus 3y. 4 plus 3 is 7. So plus 7y. So our simplified expression is 2x plus 7y. Now let us talk about the last question. 2x square plus 4x minus in the parenthesis x square minus 3x plus 1. Let us keep 2x square plus 4x as it is. After then we have a negative sign in front of parenthesis. So whenever we will open the parenthesis, the signs inside the parenthesis will change. So instead of x square, we will write minus x square. Instead of minus 3x, we will write minus minus plus. So plus 3x. After then we have minus plus. Minus plus will be minus 1. So now the actually variable is 1, but there are different forms. In two terms we have x square. So 2x square and minus x square is one pair of like terms. And in another terms, the variable is x. So 4x and plus 3x is another pair of like terms. And minus 1 is a constant term. So now let us add the like terms. So 2x square minus x square will be just x square, plus 4x plus 3x will be 7x, and minus 1 is only one term, so let us keep it as it is. So our simplified expression is x square plus 7x minus 1. Hope this video will help you how to simplify the expression.